In this video, I am going to explain about the equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. That is how we are going to solve x and y if a fraction arises in the question. That is what we are going to see in this video. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. First question, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. First you have to rewrite these equations in this manner. That is 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y minus 13 equal to 0. Here 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y plus 2 equal to 0. Now these equations are not of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you have to put 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q in order to make them in a general format ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So 2 into 1 by x becomes 2p. Instead of 1 by x I am writing p, and instead of 1 by y I am writing q minus 13 equal to 0 and 5p minus 4q plus 2 equal to 0. Now you can solve this pair of linear equations in any manner. That is by using elimination method, by using substitution method, or by using cross multiplication method. Hope you have already seen my previous videos. I am going to use cross multiplication. So p, I am putting a cross. For p, I am writing q and constant terms. 3 minus 4 and here minus 13, 2. Again I am putting a cross mark. Q. For q I am writing p and constant terms. That is 2, 5. Again I am putting a cross mark. For constant 1 I am writing here already p terms are there. So q terms 3 and minus 4. So we can write p divided by 6 minus 52. That is here 3 into 2 minus 13 into minus 4. That is 3 into 2 6 minus 13 into 4 52. So p by 6 minus 52, which is equal to q divided by, from left side you have to go on 13 into 5, which is equal to minus 65. So minus 65 minus 4 equal to 1 divided by 2 into minus 4, which is equal to minus 8 minus 15. So minus 8 minus 15. So here I am going to write p by, here 6 minus 52, that is minus 46 equal to 1 divided by minus 8 minus 15, which is equal to minus 23. So minus 23p equal to minus 46. Therefore the value p equal to 2. Similarly for q, I am writing q by minus 65 minus 4, which is equal to minus 69, which is equal to 1 by 23, minus 23. So q minus 23q is equal to minus 69. Therefore q is equal to 3. So you got p as 2 and q as 3. Now you are going to substitute this p and q values here. Instead of 1 by x, you are going to substitute this 2, and 1 by y, you are going to substitute 3. So here we are going to put 1 by x is equal to 2 and 1 by y is equal to 3. So from this you are going to find out 2x is equal to 1 and x value is equal to 1 by 2. So you got x value as 1 by 2. Here you are going to substitute 1 y equal to 1 by y is equal to 3. So 3y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So you got x value as 1 by 2 and y value as 1 by 3. This is your solution. Second question, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So here also this question is not of the form x plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first you have to substitute 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. So substitute 1 by x minus 1 equal to p and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. So instead of 1 by x minus 1 you have to put p. So your equation becomes 5p plus 1q minus 2 is equal to 0 and second equation becomes 6p minus 3q minus 1 equal to 0. Now you are going to solve these two equations in any manner. I am going to solve these equations by cross multiplication. So first I am putting a cross and writing p here. So for finding p you have to write q terms here from both equations and constant terms here. So again you have to put a cross and write q here. Here already constant terms are written, so you have to write p terms. So again for finding constant you have to write 1 here and here already p terms were written, so you have to write q terms 1 and minus 3. Now you are going to write p divided by, from left side you have to multiply 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 3. That is 1 into minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 minus 6 is equal to q divided by minus 2 into 6 which is equal to minus 12 minus minus 5 equal to 1 divided by 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus this 6 into 1 which is equal to 6. So p by minus 7 equal to q by minus 7 equal to 1 divided by minus 21. So p by minus 7 equal to 1 by minus 21. That is minus 21p equal to minus 7. So p is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 21 which is equal to 1 by 3. Same value for q also, since the terms are similar. Q is also equal to 1 by 3. Now you have to substitute this 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So first you are going to substitute 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. So cross multiplying 3 is equal to x minus 1. So x is equal to, bringing this 1 here, x is equal to 4. Similarly for finding y, you have to substitute 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. That is 3 equal to y minus 2, y is equal to 5. So you got x as 4 and y as 5. Here the value of x is equal to 4 and value of y is equal to 5. Hope you have understood my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.